So this job is a quick job just to replace these smoker shelves. What I'm doing here is just measuring up the wood and make sure I've got enough material to replace those plastic shelves. Next, I'm going to use my Craig pocket hole jig and put some holes in the wood there so I can secure them together tightly. Once they're secured together, now I can go ahead and cut the corners and the arc to get my final shape. The next step is now going to be to sand the edges and the top to a nice smooth finish. Now I'm using a small torch to burn the wood and really bring out the wood grain. And the last step is going to be to take the old brackets off of the plastic shelves and mount onto my new wooden shelf. I think it turned out pretty good. Now I'll just duplicate that step onto the other side.